Hello, beautiful you family. Today we are going to get our face beat. Okay, so I'm going ahead and applying my primer on my face. Then this is my black opal in color medium deep. I'm going ahead and dabbing some on my face, and as soon as I'm done with that, I go ahead and spray my face. So the two products that I'm using today, I'm using Maybelline Superstay makeup in the color Cocoa, and also Maybelline 24 hours foundation, and it's in the color 370, and it says deep bronzer intense. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to dab some of it on my face using the one which says, I ended up just using the Maybelline Superstay, which it says 24-hour wear in the color Cocoa. So I did not use the other color. I just went ahead, and this is what it is giving me. All right. I had to use my LA Girl in the color Beautiful Browns. When I'm done, I like to use my foundation brush to dab it in my face. Rub in my concealer, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead to get my vanilla powder to set or to bake my face. All right, whilst I have my face baking, I'm going ahead to start working on my eyes and doing my eyeshadow now. And I was inspired by, I believe it's Beauty Blessing or Beauty by Blessing, because she did a one color eyeshadow look, and I wanted to try it. So we're going to go ahead and try it as well. So I'm going ahead to use my eye primer. And I got this eye primer from Wet n Wild. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to apply. Now I'm going ahead and using my Nyx Jumbo Eye Pencil. And this is in the color 604 Milk. And that's going to be my base for my eyeshadow. I'm going ahead to place a little bit more because it has a matte finish. So I'm going ahead. I'm using my 120 color palette eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics. Okay, I'm using this color here. All right, and I went ahead. So this is how my eyes look so far. All right, and for now, I still have my palette here. I'm going ahead and using this. It looks red, a little bit red and pinkish. So I'm going ahead and I'm gonna start by place it here. This is what it's giving me. All right, so far this is what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color as well, and I will be placing it right here. Okay, I'm going ahead and placing just a little bit of my black eyeshadow just to define my, right there. So far this is how my eyeshadow looks. Alright, I'm going ahead to use my waterline, my black waterline eyeliner. So wait. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go ahead to do my eyebrow. Ooh. Let's start lining it up. I'm using my dark brown. I didn't finish the other eye. So this is my eyebrow, and I'm going ahead to clean it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring my face. Okay, so I usually use some of my black eyeshadow, and I'm going ahead to use this, and this is in the color Deep. So I'm going ahead to bring a little bit of the black eyeshadow down. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Again, I did put a on the side of my nose. Right now my face has baked enough, so I'm going ahead to finish it up. Now I'm going ahead to use the black opal finish powder, and again this is in the color Deep 05. I had to highlight my face. Now I'm using my mascara. This is my final look. Set my face, and I sprayed my face. So friends, this is my final look. This is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.